familiar.
Okay. Welcome back to my first video. Welcome to my channel. It's Desi. I have to make one. I like gross. Moana's playing in the background. Big fan. Okay, so I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial. And yeah, I'm not only gonna be doing makeup, I'm gonna be doing a couple other things on this channel. Challenges, or whatever you want to see. Like, it doesn't matter. Comment what you want to see. Or you could DM me on Instagram. But yep, so I'm gonna get started on my eyebrows because I don't like talking. Why am I whispering? I don't know. Okay, here we go. So first I use Anastasia's Dip Brow. I got wild hair right now. So I start off with the Dip Brow. And I get an angled brush, really thin so it's precise. And the dip brow I have is chocolate. And I'm just gonna go a little bit and start outlining the bottom. Just like, oh, I'm not even showing. It's because I'm looking in the mirror. I'm not really showing. I'm gonna try. Just outline it. And it doesn't matter if it's like a dark line because you're gonna fade it out later on. Doesn't matter if you mess up because concealer is your best friend. Oh my god, I gotta cut that out. Okay, so I'm still gonna like outline the bottom. This. And what I like to do is push up. Like if you have more product on there, just push it up. And then I look kind of bald right there. I think I got a pimple right there. I got pimples everywhere. I'm breaking out. But okay. So that's what it looks like. Okay. What I like to do is clean my brush while I'm doing it, which is kind of weird, I know. But like, it makes it more precise and more of a straight line. Because if you don't know what an angled brush is, this is an angled brush. I'm pretty sure everyone knows what an angled brush is. Oh! Okay, so you just dip a little bit because a little goes a long way. This is like really hard. It's better. Alright, so now I'm gonna outline the top of my eyebrow. I always do this eyebrow as if it doesn't give me a hard time. Don't know why. So at first I start like in the middle kind of because it's not focusing this way. I do right here. I start like right here. It's not the middle, but it's like there. And I start I'm such an awkward mess, but I start right here and then I just slowly like outline it. Doesn't matter if it's big because concealer will help. I'm trying to look in the mirror, but like I probably should have done this eyebrow. Well, I'm gonna do both eyebrows now. I don't know. if I have a lot of product left, I like to go in and just like have the brush almost upside down and go like this. I'm gonna start on the eyebrow. You can see. I didn't want to show this side of my face because I'm breaking out. Chocolate really does give you pimples and chips, but I don't care. Outline the bottom, your eyebrow. Just like this. Doesn't matter if you do a straight line or not. I'm just gonna go, just outline it like that. Yes, my eyebrows are different. They don't look the same, and I can't get them to look the same no matter what. They're not twins. They're cousins. Because they don't look too much alike, so that's why I just go cousins. They're not sisters. So just outline the bottom again, because I'm kind of like bald on the bottom, so I just go like that. And just fill in your eyebrow with like the leftover product. And then I like to like drag it, like have the brush like this, and then I go like that. This is probably like the worst tutorial ever for an eyebrow. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, now I'm gonna clean my brush again because your girl likes it pointy like that. This is choking me. Okay, so now I'm dipping it again and I'm gonna do the top. I'm starting here. I'm just gonna draw like that. Down, just like little lines, like just draw little lines on your eye, like in your eyebrow. Most of the time I just pack it on because sometimes it doesn't even pop, like show up on the eyebrow. Now I'm just gonna go like this, outline it again, let's put more product on it. Okay, so it's looking rough, you know, haven't cleaned it up yet. What I like to do, I like to put powder on my eyebrows. It's not powder, it's eyeshadow basically, same thing. I put the color of my eyebrow, which is like brownish blackish, so I just put that in there to make it look better. It looks better in my opinion. I just do it. Tap off the excess and then just do what you did in the beginning. I'm doing the top now. Just packing it on there. I just keep doing it until like I like it. Or I like that. Oh my god, it doesn't focus. Okay. It's because I keep putting the brush in front of my eye. So I just like to do a little bit in the front, not too much because you want it to look faded, like faded eyebrow. Sometimes I even like to go out a little more and then push up like I did in the beginning on the other eyebrow. Push up and then you can just wipe it if you don't like it. That's why I do my eyebrows before my foundation, because if you mess up, just wipe it off, girl. I use, it's not like a specific brush. If you're gonna brush like this, it's the best kind of brush to clean up your eyebrows. So now I'm gonna clean it up with my Tarte. This is in the color light, but it's definitely not my color. But I use it anyway because it's expensive and you can't let expensive things go to waste. Well, at least I can't. But I like to put a little bit and then just like, I start off from right here. Some people start off from the back. Let me wipe off the powder on my eye. And then I just start right here. And just, I'm probably gonna be like really quiet during this because I have to concentrate. Because I get nervous that I'm gonna mess up. But yeah, I'm probably gonna focus right now, so I probably won't talk. Alright, here we go. Okay, and what I do, like if you have like the concealer like this, I just drag it down like that. Oh my god, why did I do that? And I hate it when I don't blend it out right. Okay. And then I just wipe the concealer if there's like too much on it. Okay, your girl's looking fresh, nice and sharp, you know? I really do. I hate myself so much. I do this for the top of my eyebrow since it's more my color. Oh my god, I'm gonna have the hardest time. That's why I was trying to do it on this one, but like you can't even see, so obviously I have to do it on this one. But I always have to go like this to, I always have to go like this to conceal it. I'm sorry, I'm concentrating again. Ooh. Oh well. She looks good. This is the good sister. Cousin, whatever I called it. Yes. Okay, so this one's done. I'm just gonna go over it real quick. Okay. And then I just go like this to the front. And then you get your little spoolie. This is a spoolie. And you just kind of like shimmy it. I don't know the correct words for this. I just go like this, like brush it up to the side, down. You just want it to look good. Sister snatched, you know? God, I hate myself. Why am I talking like this? I'm nervous, that's why. It's done. I'm gonna do this off camera because she's crying for help right now. And I will get back. Ooh. Swipe. Thank you. Next. Okay, I just finished the rest of my makeup. And now both the eyebrows are done. That's basically it for the video. I know it was a terrible first video, but I promise I'll be better next time. And just, you know, like, subscribe. Doesn't take long. It's like really quick. Just do it right now. Right now. I'll be putting up videos frequently because I don't have a life, so just let me know what you guys want to see next. You could tell me on Instagram. It'll be at the end of the video. My Instagram, all my other social medias, mainly all of them are Desi Nunez, so you could just look up that if you want. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you for watching. I forgot I need a thumbnail, so hopefully that was good enough.